Happy New Year. Okay, so yep, these are the condos I was just looking at. Me style condo. These are right next to the Central Plaza Mall in BangNa. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this one is in BangNa. It's 1.99 million baht. 1.99 million baht. 2 million baht. So there's a kitchen here. There's a so that's what it looks like. It has counter space. And we're gonna walk over to this one. There's a bedroom right here. So yeah, there's a bathroom that connects here. So we're gonna look in the bathroom. So there's a bathroom, 1.9. There's a nice shower. Everything's really clean. And then we have the living room too, which looks really nice too. 1.99 million baht. So looks like a pretty good deal. So this one is 27.93. One bedroom. Okay. Okay, so this one is kind of interesting. So this is condo that I just was able to show a little bit, and this is right next to the BangNa Central Festival Mall, and this is called Me Style. Sukhumvit, BangNa. So there we go, 1.99 million baht, and let's kind of step back a little bit. So this is basically what it looks like. The sales office right there, and yeah, I just went in, I saw apartment, and so you saw it as well. I just kind of went through real quick. I just wanted to see what it might have been like. There's stuff over here called the Loft Bar. But anyways, you can kind of get a feel for what's around here. And yeah, there's another condo that they told me to look at too called Lumpini, which is maybe that one over there. But I think the prices might be kind of similar, so I think we're gonna walk.
Get what?
Hello, oh, that's good.
What? Get?
Thank you.
And make what?
So let's just take a look at this. So there's, looks like this one has a little bit of nightlife area. So there's Shabu Shabu, Loft Bar, and then of course you have the Central Mall right here and the East Tower. So I don't know, maybe there's a lot of condos around here. And I saw at the East Mall, let's see if we can, there's flowers there. I saw at the East Mall, which is right, or Central Festival Mall, I mean. There's also a, I kind of wonder what the prices are of these places. I saw that there's, let's see if I can cross the street and just look at the bar and see if there's a menu. But there's a shuttle bus that goes directly to the BTS from the mall. So, so I walked by it, but I was really wanted to see what was over here. Because a lot of stuff is being built everywhere. There's the condos again, Me Style. Oh, they got a Loft Bar craft beer. Okay. So yeah, it's kind of interesting. We're just kind of walking and see. Oh, this might be the other one. This might be the maybe more condos up there. So okay. So yeah, there's a Loft Bar up there. Actually, there's kind of a lot of interesting stuff everywhere. Yeah, and I think this might be a whole other condo unit thing. But it's interesting because this is watching the way things expand, right? So this might be a Korean one or Japanese one. Looks really good. Korean barbecue maybe. So let's just go up here. I'm just gonna take a look. Oh, this one is all Korean here. So they got the Korean tables and they're eating kalbi and Korean barbecue there. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. It might be, well, whatever it is, this is pretty interesting because I'm getting to see other parts of Thailand, right? Oh, geez, look at these prices. Wow, so you get all these German beers. Okay. Yeah, it's way more expensive than I thought. Buy 3, get 1 free. So this one you just buy foreign beers, and you get food that's like European prices. Huh. Okay, this is just interesting. Sometimes I'm under the perception that maybe Thailand is getting really expensive. I don't know how people can afford it. Must be the whole country is changing quite a bit. Things are getting more expensive. So let's just see what else is up here. So I see, yeah, actually if that was your neighborhood bar, that would cost some money. So these are all nails and things like that. Seesaw draw. Okay. Hello. So, okay. So this might be it right here. Okay, I think we can't go any further. So there's the Shabu buffet. So actually these prices are a little bit more than I thought. So I thought you might get outside of Sukhumvit and it might be a lot cheaper, but it's not. Happy New Year. Okay, so yep, these are the condos I was just looking at, Mi style condo. These are right next to the Central Plaza Mall in BangNa. So a lot of people are moving out here, and this is kind of the stuff that you might see. So yeah, and actually I've been looking at stuff maybe for like the 2 million baht range. They seem like a good general price if someone was to look for a condo. So that was just kind of a taste. That actually helps me a lot because that actually is quite nice, I think, for 2 million baht. It's small. I think 2 million baht might be about might be close to 65,000 American dollars, which is probably overpriced. But there's a lot of nice amenities in Thailand, so it's hard to say if that's something that's worth it or not. Okay. So yeah, the Central Mall is very close by, right there. So we're actually going to walk to it again. So that's the other thing I was thinking about. Like, it might be interesting to find a place that's near somewhere like that, like a Central Mall. And this one is a little bit far from the BTS, so you actually have to take a thing up here. Let's see where we come at. But up here near the entrance of this shopping mall, there is a bus that goes to the BTS as well. I think these are more condos. Maybe I'll just ask them and see what the prices are of this too. But anyways, we'll conclude for that one, for that particular condo that we just saw. Okay, so we're still at the same spot, and I just went in this one, this tower. It's kind of a nice, bigger one right next to the mall actually. 6.8 million baht they said, so I think that's what they said, 6 point something. So that's about 3 times more expensive. I didn't even bother to go inside. Actually a certain price range, you know, like that price range might be, I don't know, $150,000 or something like that. I'm not really sure, but originally I grew up in Michigan, and you can get houses for like easily for 100,000, 3-4 bedroom house, and in some nice suburbs around Detroit, or if you get outside the city, you can find them on the lake for like 80,000, like 2-3 bedrooms. So granted, a lot of people from the United States might be from more expensive markets, but that was the other one I went to too, this BangNa service apartment. So I started over there, and then they showed me over to this one, and that service apartment was only for rent. Let me see, I think they said it was 14,000 baht per month if you wanted to do that, which is a really good deal. So in some ways, you know, like, why even buy if you could rent? Well, anyways, but pretty interesting. It's educational, basically. So right up here is a bus. We're gonna try to catch it. Yeah, this bus right here says Central Plaza BTS, so I think we can get into it. So I don't know if it's free or not, but I think it is. So we're gonna jump in this bus. Yeah, this bus goes to the BTS. There's some dogs sitting here too. But so we're just gonna wait here, and then some people might get out, so might be able to get a seat. So I might just sit in there for a little bit. So. Okay, so that takes us to Udom Sok. So that bus just took us to the BTS station, and actually this is another area that I heard that has some pretty good condos. So basically, if you were interested in the BangNa Central Mall, this is basically where you would come out at, and then you can take the BTS out. So, okay, I hope that's interesting. Then there's also, this whole line has buses, it has trains, it has everything here, so.